Welcome to my detailed review of the Afirme Construrama credit card. If you're in construction or involved in home improvement projects in Mexico, you've probably heard about this specialized financial product. It's tailored specifically for purchasing construction materials at Construrama stores, and it's issued by Afirme Bank, which gives it a certain level of credibility in terms of backing and support. When you first land on the Afirme site and navigate to the Construrama section, you're greeted with a very industry-specific presentation. They make it clear this card isn't for everyday spending. It's designed with builders, contractors, and even DIY remodelers in mind. The idea is to offer credit solutions that are aligned with the needs of construction supply buyers, offering convenience and potential discounts in Construrama's national chain. The application process is fairly straightforward. You could apply online, but there's a heavy emphasis on visiting a branch or a Construrama location to finalize your request. One major downside is the lack of full digital onboarding. While you can begin the process digitally, you're required to complete it in person. That might be a deal breaker for some people who prefer an entirely online experience. Rates and fees aren't clearly displayed up front, which is frustrating. You have to dig into the terms or ask directly at a branch to get the full breakdown. In my case, I found that the interest rate was a bit higher than standard bank credit cards, understandable given the niche usage, but still something to consider. The card does offer deferred payment plans and financing options for larger purchases, which can be a huge help if you're managing a project with fluctuating costs. It also sometimes includes discounts or exclusive promotions in Construrama stores, depending on the region or current campaigns. Sometimes life throws a curveball, and that's exactly when getting money online in minutes with OnCredit just makes sense. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. Now, on the usability side, once approved, managing your account is done through Afirme's banking portal or app. The digital tools aren't the most modern, and the app experience could be significantly improved. There's often lag or interface bugs that make tracking your card usage a bit annoying. Also, don't expect premium support. The customer service is basic and can be hard to reach during peak hours. If you're someone who regularly shops at Construrama, this card may make sense. But for general use, or even for someone seeking flexible credit across multiple stores, it's not ideal. The restrictions and limited use case make it something of a niche product. You're trading flexibility for very targeted utility, and that's a trade-off not everyone will be willing to make. Another consideration is that, unlike general-purpose credit cards, this one doesn't help you build your credit as effectively unless you also hold other Afirme products. So if you're aiming to grow your overall credit score in Mexico, you'll want to pair this with other tools or financial products. To wrap it up, the Afirme Construrama credit card is useful if you're deep in the construction space and regularly purchase through that specific network. It's not for casual users, and the lack of full transparency on rates and poor digital experience definitely hurt its appeal. But as a specialized card, it serves its purpose decently. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest takes on financial products like this. Thanks for watching.